Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am going to solve first semester BCA Mathematical Foundation question paper 2022, and today session C, question number 19A. Find the rank of the matrix A by reducing to the echelon form. So the given A is 1 2 3 2 2 3 5 1 1 3 4 5. So here we will be solving for the first row. This is first row, R1, R2 and R3. So here we will be solving for R3 equals R3 minus R1. Then we will take R2 equals R2 minus R2 R1 to R1. So here they've given R3 minus R2. So here we'll be changing it for third row. We are going to change for third row. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 5 minus 2 will be 5 minus 2 will be 3. So yeah, we'll move on with the second line. Second line is what? We have got R3, R2 is equals to R2 minus 2R1. First multiply 2 and write it in the pencil on the top. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So now we are going to subtract R2 minus 2R1. So R2 is here 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0, 3 minus 4 will be 3, minus 4 will be minus 1, 5 minus 6 will be minus 1, 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. We are not going to do anything for the first column or first row, so we'll write it as it is 1 2 3 2. So now next step we can see that they are both similar but they are different in sign, so we can write R3 will be R3 plus R2, then R2 will be minus of R2. So here we get A is R2 plus R2 means 0 plus 0 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So it will be next R2 will be minus R1, that will be 0, 1, 1 and 3. The remaining will be 1, 2, 3, 2. So this is your required solution the matrix where the matrix is in echelon form. Echelon form. Echelon form. Number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows are second rank is 2. Therefore, P of A will be